So we are going to try and teach Chotu two things today. One is the shake hand or paw or high five, whatever you want to call it. And again, on request, somebody has asked us how to get the dog to hug you. So I don't generally encourage a dog coming on to you, but still let's try. Chotu, come here. Sit. 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 Yes. So as soon as he even tries and reaches you with the paw, you Chotu. Yes. So I'm a bit comfortable on the ground, but Chotu, sit. Chotu, sit. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Come here. Chotu, come here. Let me try something different. Chotu, sit. Chotu, sit. Yes. Yes. Paw. Yes. Paw. Yes. Chotu, sit. Chotu, paw. Yes. Chotu, paw. Yes. Good boy. Chotu, paw. Yes. He's caught on pretty fast. Chotu, paw. Yes. Chotu, paw. So even if he doesn't touch my hand, it's okay. He's learning. So to sit, 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 sit. If he doesn't break the down position, I'll just release him. Okay. Sit. Paw. Yes. Paw. Paw. Yes. Now this is something which I don't like to train, but still, let's go ahead. Chotu, come. Chotu, come. Come here. Chotu, come. Yes. So he's coming on to me. I'm trying to get him to do the hug. Chotu. Yes. So I'm tall for him. So I'll try and go down a bit. Wait. Chotu, come. Chotu, come. Chotu, come. Yes. Come up. Or you can teach him the up first. Chotu, up. Chotu, up. Yes, good boy. Chotu, up. Yes, good boy. So see, it's helping him make Chotu go round, since we taught him the round command earlier. Yeah. And we are doing the up command first. Up is where you want him to get up anywhere, on your foot, on your hand, anywhere you want.
Round. Up.
In the hug command, a lot of people try to get the dog to come onto their chest. Now with this, their nails might injure you. So it is better to have the dog having both his legs on the thighs, and then you can hug him. He does not necessarily need to come on your shoulders or on your chest.